Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 16th of May 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.88%, settling the day at 39,908 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,742.39, rising 1.40%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,718.52 and Hang Seng is trading at 19,227. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,385.50, indicating a gap-up start for the Indian market. FII sold 2,832.83 crores in the cash market in the last trading session. ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund buys 0.68% stake in Cipla. India's biggest AMCSBI mutual fund has shown the biggest improvement in overall liquidity positions in its small-cap fund, while HDFC Small-Cap Fund saw the biggest fall. Now talking about global aspects, consumer prices in the US increased 0.3% month-over-month in April, slightly less than 0.4% in each of the previous 2 months. Retail sales in the US were unchanged month-over-month in April, following a downwardly revised 0.6% gain in March. Crude oil inventories in the US fell by 2.50 million barrels, extending a 1.36 million decrease in the previous period. Crude stocks at the Cushing, Oklahoma, delivery hub went down by 341,000 barrels. WTI rose 1% to $78.63 a barrel, while Brent rose 1% to $82.85 a barrel. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.31%, down. The US dollar is trading at 104.07, down by 0.09. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices have halted their recent gains and registered minor losses, influenced by a tendency for selling by FIIs in a volatile market environment driven by election uncertainty. The key indices, Sensex and Nifty, concluded the day in negative territory at 72,987.03 and 22,200.55, respectively. In terms of sectoral performance, energy, realty, and metal stocks posted gains, while FMCG, auto, and media stocks traded in the red. Outlook for the day. The Nifty index has been trading within a broad range of 21,900 to 22,400 over the past few sessions, and a critical support level at 21,950 for the short term and 22,100 will act as immediate support. The immediate resistance level is pegged at 22,350. The Bank Nifty is now targeting its next immediate support level at 47,200, and if breached, it could lead to intensified selling pressure, potentially pushing it down to around 46,600. At present, the index encounters immediate resistance around the 48,000 mark. A decisive breakthrough above this resistance level could prompt short covering actions, potentially driving the index higher towards the 48,800 mark. Stocks on radar are Bombay Dyeing, Power India, ITI, Thermax, Brigade. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.